guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on how to do a low sleek ponytail. Stay tuned, check it out, and don't forget to drop me a comment below. So for the sleek ponytail, you're going to want an oil just to help kind of hold down any flyaways, give it some more shine for the sleek look. I love using the Olaplaex number 7, if you can see it here. And then I use my BOAR bristle brush. I use a hair tie. You can use any hair tie of your choice. And then I just like to have on hand 2 extra bobby pins just in case I have any flyaways that I just want to pin them down. So this style is now complete. I know some of you like a super straight pony. I know mine's a little bit wavy right now, but I do have my flat iron on, my BABYLISS Pro. So what I'm going to do, if you do want a super sleek straight pony, I'm just gonna go in and kind of take some chunks and just kind of straighten them out. This also elongates your ponytail if you want it to look extra long, which I like, I don't mind that. Kind of take your hair wherever you think it needs to be smoothed out also. And there you have it. Here is the finished product of the nice, sleek, quick and easy, straight pony.